Yeah, nation people. You know the general, the 10-star one, is back in a full effect. You see what I say? Yeah, nation people. I want to spread the message because here we are going. The Vybz Cartel featuring Skillibeng, the King and Prince. Yo, me hear everybody from them ear say right now, big thing, they on it way. Me hear some people start, you know what I mean, have them own opinion about stuff, and people even a question if it's gonna be a girl song, or it's gonna be a bad man song, or it's gonna be, you know what I mean, some rough song where you know I violate other artists. Yeah, you could take it up. Yeah, so when I say nation people, no joke thing in the game. So some look come on and say right now, yo, I think it's gonna be a bad man song where I diss up some artists in a dance hall. Vybz Cartel now no time for that right now, my brother. No joke thing that day night, no gimmicks thing in the game. Alright. Yeah, the general no really have no time for that. You see what I say? Real way. No form of lollipop thing not into it. So when you hear Vybz Cartel featuring Skillibeng, I'm gonna think, so well then at this track. Aye, yeah, deliver on the way. Yeah. On a nothing about not this track. You see what I say? Because watch out now. Vybz Cartel is an international artist. You see what I say? Skillibeng is an international artist, a signed artist who signed into international label. You see what I say? Vybz Cartel international because him song them go international. You see what I say? So here we are go on right now. So Vybz Cartel and Skillibeng are do a collaboration right now. To how Skillibeng career still right now, and to all the guy that perform all over the world and to a music structure right now. For Vybz Cartel and Skillibeng, for go do a diss track for this other artists in a dancehall. But I think, me personally think it's a waste of time that would be. You see what I say? And I like Skillibeng, I look popularity right now. Skillibeng done break out already. I don't know Vybz Cartel are the world boss that. No gimmicks not there in it. So I like say them a look attraction for say well then. Them a go do a song well then for make the street, you know what I mean, close to the artist here, govern the artist here, support the artist. They are not like that, my brother. For me, for them for do a diss track against the dancehall artist or say well then a blaze up fire upon some artists wicked for say right now them a disrespect them. Yo. No one has time for that, my brother. A gimmicks thing when I deal with Vybz Cartel. Members of Vybz Cartel now I'm not approved locally in a dancehall no more, my brother. So after international hits the man them a slap off, you know. Me don't know if I'm not see that, you know. The first song when man Vybz Cartel do bubble up. You know see everywhere him go and dry it. You know see what happened to the crowd? You know see how the girl them react? They don't think so they hit the man them a go for right now. Because girl song the man them a do, you know. And the man them say King and Prince, you know. So it have to be in our policy, you know, my brother. You see what I say? World boss are one thing me I say, you know. We want the visual feat, you know. We don't just want the song, you know. We don't want to drop the song and then the visual after, you know. Me don't like the visual for the song, world boss. Cause for me say, King, Prince, that girl song, the police officer beautiful with ladies, my brother. Me want to see it. Me want to see it. You see what I say? The police officer in a royal way. I mean like maybe like 200 wife, 100 concubine, a king, and prince and I talk about, you know. Girl song, you know. The police have to set disgusting way, my brother. Now give me thing in my game. Now no lollipop thing in it. You know a Gaza way I represent. There ain't no other way. You see what I say? Yeah. So would I like to see the police would full up at the queen and the princess them, the wife and the concubine them. You see what I say? Alright, my brother. I know it will be an outstanding look. And for the song itself, you know, the world boss, too unique, so eccentric, one of a kind, phenomenal, that means him complete. No joke thing that in my game. Skilly, the man come like a thing when him Sabatone Skillarchi. I don't know if you know that Italian baller there. Yes, what I say? Right now, I saw Skilly aboard. I saw him skill. Yes, what I say? Yeah, because I don't have to remember how Skilly make it, you know. Just remember, you know, people. A certain type of drill style him use and set it. Yes, what I say when everybody all curse it. So no joke shit not dead about it. So right now, me I look out for international, it's a that me I look out for. And Gaza Nation, we don't know if you are pre, no other different. You see me, anything different a waste of time, my brother. You see what I say? To all the people them I fight on dancehall music and to all people I run up on the internet and I chat every day about yo, the genre you gone around dancehall, the genre you this, the genre you that. No. Right now we are looking for international hits. You know, see some are so forward, I want to know. Eh? Remember, you know, the first track, you know, bubble up, you know. I know the girl them still a bubble up, you know. You see me I say? Yeah. I don't gimmicks thing in it. Not the steam like when pot boil up. I saw the girl them a bubble up, my brother. You see what I say? So if the man them go girl song, pan king and prince and a girl song, that mean nation people. The police festive. You see what I say? These two brothers, you know, you can't question none of them lyrical capability. Because these two brothers, them witty in a them own way. You see what I say? And deadly where lyrics concern my people. So, no joke shit not there in it. You see what I say? So, we have got big up Skillibeng, and we have got big up Vybz Kartel, and we look forward for the awesome collaboration because we don't know say when them two brothers link up, the whole of the girl them bubble up. The material evidence there for sure now. No joke shit not there about it. The last show I go watch with Skillibeng, see? In a 20th degree, girl take off them bra and a fling off of him. And them not afraid of them nipple freeze. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. The degree where I tell you about. Nobody when I used to cold, my brother, can't walk in a t-shirt, nor sweater alone. Them have to have a jacket. You see what I say? So no gimmicks thing not in it and she never afraid to pop off her bra and fling off him. And her nipple, and she not scared if her nipple them freeze. You see what I say? So, I like where the man them go with the song, say a girl song, so me I look out for a hit. A hit me I look out for. You see what I say? From them two genius artists, the world boss, you see what I say? And Skillibeng, the protege. Now give me thing not dead about it. A 10 star I represent Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. 10 star. General.